All right, hey, we're down to 9 days now. The Chrysler Carlisle show is coming up. I've been getting some stuff ready. Um, I got held up here a couple days. Got stuck having to take care of some house stuff. Really looking forward to getting the blue SRT4 cleaned up here. Yeah, it's not out here. Uh, but I'm hoping this week that I can actually get the old orange beast here fine-tuned. We got to touch up a couple things and we can get this thing fired up. It'll be kind of cool to at least know that this thing runs and moves. We have the blue SRT4 set up. We're going to be working on getting this thing cleaned, and then I'm going to pull it in here, put it up on the quick jack, and do a little bit of buffing, kind of clean up the interior. I have some aftermarket parts, debating whether I'm going to throw them on. But let's just do a real quick walk around. So in my year of having my car do basically nothing but sit, we got some stuff that needs cleaned out here. A little bit of stuff on there. Maybe I'll try to clean that up some. I did put some new wiper blades on, believe it or not. Last year we did the brakes and stuff. We did the headlights, the fog lights, cleaned some stuff up in the front. We still got to do some cleaning inside. The paint is showing its age, so we're just going to make it look as good as we can for right now. Basically just get everything cleaned up. I got to do something with this. Here you can tell we got all kinds of stuff down in here. We get all this stuff cleaned up. I don't know what's going on here, and hopefully that's interior stuff. I can see that rainbow. I got to get this glued back on. It's just wanting to pull off. Anytime you go a couple mile an hour. Probably try to realign my sunroof here this year. Yep, some kind of interior cleaner there. Not too dirty. I mean, when you don't drive your car, it doesn't get dirty. There's that. I have some other seats that I'm going to be cleaning up and putting in here. This did come originally with the Viper seat, or not the Viper seats, but the what they call Fat Boy seats. We're going to clean out all this. I got another door panel I'm going to be replacing on my driver's side. Here, I'll show you why. Oh, there. This is what I wanted to point out. That's how you can tell it has Fat Boy seats. See, it has a side airbag. And over here. It'll say side airbag. But we got some nice Viper seats we're going to be putting in here. And they are actually going to match the floor mats. So let's check them out real quick. Now, here we go. These are actually a set of commemorative edition seats. They have the blue SRT4 emblem in them. This is the passenger side. The driver's side has some damage here on the bolsters. So I'm going to be looking to get those reupholstered, and hopefully whoever does it can sew it in and match the blue stitching. So we'll have a set of blue stitched commemorative seats. Depending on who I find to do this, maybe I'll get them to do the rear set, and that way they'll match the front, and possibly even maybe do the boot. Just see what the stuff costs and what it's going to take to get that done. So there we go, you know. I might have some other things I'm going to try to do to the car also, but let's get some suds flowing and get this cleanup started. Well, here's some good news. The orange car's in here. I started working on that today some. We got 5 gallons of gas again to put into it for fuel. I have to get an adapter or a coupler for my radiator hose. I found out something that might work here, which I can show you. But we did get an opportunity to give the blue neon a bath. I actually did this last night. We got everything pretty much like somewhat cleaned up, you know, dusted down. Got to go over, shine everything up, make stuff look pretty, clean our wheels, make our tires shine. You know, we washed the inside of our door jambs out, front front, rear, side, and around here. Look, see, there's still some in here. I couldn't reach in here to get this, so I'll have to get some of that. The interior is not that dirty. So I'm just going to do a little quick vacuum and get that stuff knocked out. Like I said, I think I'm going to throw the other seats in here for now, and I got to get those cleaned up. And basically, you know what I mean, we just got to shine her up a little bit. I think between the seats, I'm going to do something with this here. I do have a video where you can actually replace these, but when these things start coming off, this is sharp, you could cut your fingers. I just have another door panel, so that's what I'm doing. We're going to slap that on. I might find some other things to take care of here while I'm at this. It's just one of those things. If I can get, they're calling for rain tomorrow, which this is not going to be the end of the video. That just means that we're gonna get on this, which I'll run that as a separate one. So I'll have the rest of the week to get the finishing touches up on this. I don't know if I'm going to do, like I said, I was thinking about doing the intake and the throttle body. Just, you know, I got these mods for this car that are just been sitting. We have big turbo plans for this. We have built motor plans for this car. We are going to either get different wheels or soon different tires, because these things are starting to show their age. But we're just going to get this thing cleaned up. We're going to try to accomplish some stuff, and we're going to have fun at the show. I got some other things that I want to show you. I got some car show stuff. I got to get some chairs yet. I got a canopy. I actually got one of the little Milwaukee fans, so I'm going to have a cooler, stuff, some water, some Gatorade. Man, I'm ready. Hopefully I get to run into some of you guys there. All right, so we got the vacuum out. I did vacuum off these floor mats. If you look close, you can kind of see there's a little bit of dirt and some wear areas in here. And this is a little bit less blue than this. But when you have compressed air, you can blow it. It's going to be noisy, but just check this out. All right, so I was hoping that you could kind of see some of the dust flying off. It did clean this just a little bit. I'm going to work on this some more. I figure you really don't need a lesson of that. And I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So you can see, this was the driver's mat. We did have that spot here, and we had some here. Like I said, I blew a lot out with this. You can use like a foaming cleaner or something along those lines, and you can actually see what this looks like. Hopefully this does the same. The other one was really dirty, so all I did was I just put a spot on here like this. Now, window cleaner's a cleaner. It's not gonna hurt nothing here. All right, let it soak down and get it good and wet. Usually let this soak for a couple minutes, but let's take a look at this here. All right, so what a lot of this is doing is it's actually blowing the dirt out, and then when you get your dirt down in your carpet, it works like sandpaper when you put your feet in there and you're moving around, and eventually starts to break up the carpet. So I mean, it's a good idea. You can do this inside the car, or you can shampoo it. These are just some kind of quick detailing things. I'm just going to run the vacuum over top of these, and then we're sticking them back in the car. I probably will be vacuuming more in here when I get the seats unbolted and out of the way, because then I can get in here and I can do a little bit of cleaning. Like I said, I mean, I don't drive this much, so it doesn't get that dirty.